Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope all of you are fine and all of you are doing great. It's me, Ms. Jaka. I'm glad to be with you to review all the lessons that we studied at class. Today I'm gonna talk about Unit 10, page 52. Okay, this unit is about past simple. Let me remind you what's past simple. Past simple is the tense used to express situations, events, and actions that happened in the past. Okay, we have two types of past simple: regular and irregular. Okay, and all regular verbs ends in d or ed. What's the difference between regular and irregular? Regular verb, it means that by adding ed or d, it will be past. It's usage of something that follows a rule. Okay, we have these are present verbs. Okay, finish, watch, listen, invite, cook. If we make it to past, we add d or ed to the verb. Finish, it will be finished. Okay, this is the regular verb. Watch, watch it. Listen, listen it. Invite, invited. Cook, cook it. Okay, but irregular, it's not like this one. Okay, by adding d or ed, it will not be past. We have irregular verbs. Make, made, it will be made. Go, it will be went. Take, it will be took. Have, had. Put, put, it's the same thing. Buy, bought. Cut, cut. Okay, you should memorize all of them. جیاوازی نێوان ڕێگولەر و ئیڕێگولەر چییە؟ ڕێگولەر یعنی شتێکە کە بە قانون و یاسا دەبێتە ڕابردوو. ئەوانە ئەو ڤێربانە چنە؟ ئەو ڤێربانە ڕانەبردوونە. ئەگەر بیکەینە ڕابردوو بە دی ئۆر ئیدی دەبێتە ڕابردوو. یعنی finish بوویتە finished بە using ed بوویتە ڕابردوو. Watch it, listen it, invite it, cook it, okay, open it. بەڵام irregular ئەوانە شازن. irregular واتە شاز بە دی ئۆر ئیدی نابێتە ڕابردوو. okay, make بوویتە made بە دی و ئیدی نەبوویتە ڕابردوو. پێویستە ئەوانە هەمووی لەبەر بکەن. okay, and we have the rule of past simple. We have the rule of past simple: subject, verb, past. But verb, it should be what? Should be past simple. Subject, it means noun, pronoun, animals, things. Okay, and its pronoun, what's the meaning pronoun? It means that I, we, you, they, he, she, it. If we say the name, you can use the pronoun. Instead of using the name, you can use the pronoun. Subject, verb, complement. This is the positive sentence. For example, I went to the supermarket. I, it means subject, went, verb past, irregular verb. Okay, to the supermarket, it means complement. She finished the book. Finished, it's the regular verb because we have ed at the end of the verb. How we know that this sentence it's a past simple? By having the verb past. Okay, we have in this sentence we have went and we have finished. Okay, this one it's about also we have past verbs. We bought fizzy drinks. We made sandwiches and salad. We put the food in the boxes. We went to the country. Okay, we have bought past simple. If we change it to present, it will be buy. We buy fizzy drinks. We made sandwiches and salad. Made means past simple. Okay, we make. If we change it to present, it will be we make sandwiches and salad. Okay,